Do you want to know how you can sign up for Ruby AI? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Ruby AI. Go ahead and search for Ruby AI sign up, scroll a bit down and click on this link over here. After you click on that link, it will take you to the sign up page. Now what you need to do is write down your first name, your last name, your email address, your company name and your password. So go ahead and create a password for yourself, check your password and then click sign up. After you click sign up, you can see that this page will load up and you will create an account. And you can go to login and you can log into your account now. So you can see that some things might come to error and it might not have loaded. So you can see that you can now click on this option called sign up Ruby and then you can log into your account. So go ahead and do that and you can now access Ruby AI. I hope this video about how you can sign up for Ruby AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.